I have a weird thing with watering cans. I love really, really pretty, beautiful watering cans. I think one of the reasons is that I don't just use them and put them away. I use them, but then I like to kind of leave them out. I mean, I like to have them there handy, and so they need to kind of work with the decor outside. And this watering can is so perfect. This is one that we found when we were working with one of the companies out of Europe, and it just has such a beautiful feel to it. It's done in metal. It has this white paint coating to it. It's just elegant and beautiful and perfect. And yes, it is a real watering can, and you can really use this outside, and that's what it's for. I put our cherry blossoms in it just because I thought it looked nice, and they work. So if you want to use it to kind of to arrange flowers, you can. You can put real flowers in there because it will hold water, or you can put artificial flowers in there, or you can just use it as the watering can that you absolutely love. But if you've ever wanted a watering can that was so pretty you didn't want to put it away, I think this is going to be exactly what you're looking for.